Domino digital printing solutions, K630i to cut sheet and digital booklet production. This line configuration includes an unwind, web cleaner, web guide, the Domino K630i single engine duplex digital press. Inside we have 2 print bar arrangements and 2 dryers, and the web is transferred through the first print bar, underneath, and then over and through the second print bar. A buffer, and here the web is converted into sheets with the rotary cutter. Here we have a 2D or barcode synchronization sensor. Here we have a single sheet folder running into a wire stitch binder or a glue binding, followed by a 3-knife trimmer exiting to a shingle output. The system, needing only one operator, provides a highly efficient method for producing finished booklets at high production speeds. The automated digital booklet finishing solution includes for content and pagination changes on the fly. With buffers and automation, setup and production waste is completely minimized. A single sheet folder provides a superior finished product. In addition to conventional wire stitching, the novel glue system provides a superior stay flat finished product. Using the latest Domino inkjet technology, you can produce opaque, high quality printed output booklets.